Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heidi Weller. If you are new to my channel, if you are a repeat, hello, welcome back. I am testing out today the new Pat McGrath Sublime foundation, new to me. The foundation retails for $68. I purchased this at Sephora at the Mayfair Mall here in Wisconsin, and I'm in LM9 or light medium 9. I have been using the concealer and I've been loving it and thinking about wanting to test it out. I do have both in the shade LM9. So I want to give this a try today. It is humid out. It is 9:15. I've been filming since before 8 o'clock in the morning because I did a brow first impression and also I filmed this makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this pretty makeup look today, please stay tuned. Make sure that you give me some comments in the comment section below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, I am doing a first impressions and review on a new foundation today. I have been loving the Pat McGrath Labs concealer and I'm in the shade LM9, and I've been using this to carve out my brows and also underneath my eyes for under eye concealer, and I've been on the fence for a very long time that I wanted to pick up the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. I am going to be using the shade Light Medium 9 or LM9, which is the same shade as my concealer. And I just picked this up yesterday. I dropped 68 bucks on this thing, but I also dropped 39 bucks for my brows. What do you guys think? I am testing out the Marc Jacobs Brow Wow Duo, and I'm using dark brown. I like it so far. I will link that video up here if it is up yet, but I wanted to film both of these today because it is supposed to be a hot and very humid day today, and it is Sunday. It is now 8:18 in the morning and I'm going to a car show, and it's actually here in Lannon, so it's not very far from my house. But anyways, so this is the box for the foundation. This is the front, side, back. I love the gold detail. And then the opposite side, the bottom of the box. And you already seen the top that has shade name and close to color. It says make sure that you shake very well. This foundation is made in Italy and it's supposed to be buildable, perfecting coverage, weightless texture, sublime satin finish, runway tested, mother approved. I haven't really had a lot of Pat McGrath stuff besides for I just picked up the concealer, and I also have 2 of the lip balms, and boy oh boy, I'm gonna probably wear them again today because they're so good. So this is supposed to be for all skin types, and it is supposed to be universal for oil-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free. So let's go ahead and open the box and let's pull the foundation out. So the foundation is in a glass container and it is 35 milliliters or 1.18 fluid ounces. So that's very good. So my Laura Mercier foundation is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. My Hourglass or the Vanish Seamless Finish liquid foundation is 0.84 fluid ounces or 0.25 milliliters. This has a lot more fluid in the foundation compared to the other ones. And so what we're gonna do is test this little guy out. All right, let's go ahead and pull the top off. That is great that it is a pump because that is my favorite type of foundation. If you have to pour it on your hand or pour it on something, I don't always like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's prime up the face. I'm going to be mixing the OleHenriksen Banana Bright face primer and also Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I always use these 2 together, so I don't want to do something different and not give this foundation a full good go because that's not fair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my face. The hardest thing is that you can't test out foundations in store right now. So hopefully this is right. Just massaging this all over my skin. So far so good on prepping the skin. My skin feels very, very good because I started using a new toner, and it's not new, but it's new to me, and I've always wanted to get it, but I didn't know why I didn't. I've been testing out the new OleHenriksen, the Glow H2o Toner. It's in the blue bottle, and it's supposed to be for fine lines, wrinkles, brightening the skin, resurfacing, and I picked that up at Sephora at the Mayfair Mall, as well as the foundation and the brow stuff that I'm testing out. Again, this is the packaging for Pat McGrath. I'm going to put some of this on my hand, and it is very, very liquidy. Ooh, cool. I don't mind if it's not liquidy either. It smells very good. It's not very strong. And I'm just using the Smith 115 brush to apply this to my face. I'm just stippling it on. So far this actually is very, very nice. Very close to my skin, no complaints here. I don't want to say I like a full coverage foundation, but I definitely like something that covers what I don't want to be seen. You know what I mean? I like it so far. Very, very nice. I will have to test this out with a sponge and also a brush. But today I'm going to use a brush. All right, just one little bit more. And let's put it around the forehead. So this is first application of the foundation. I need to blend out around my hairline, but then I also need to use a sponge. I have a beauty blender, dry, and I'm going to mist some mist into it to waken it up. All right, I'm just going to pat this into the skin. All right guys, so this is a very close-up look of my skin. Very, very nice, very, very clean, and it is so close to my skin tone that I am not complaining at all. I'm just sitting here blending out concealer. Yes, this is nice. This is very, very smooth looking on the skin. Has my glow coming through from the OleHenriksen skincare that I've been using. And I have a video of that up here for my daytime. And I can put my nighttime up finally. First impression so far, this is very nice. So let's go ahead and let's apply some concealer, and I will speed through some of my skin and we will regroup. All right, everybody, so I am done with my makeup and this is my final look of the day. Just using the products that I have listed. I've been loving the lip combo with the Pat McGrath Passion Flower and also Gold Astral. And these are really, really nice with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude. And I just overline the front of my lips and this is great. And just eyes soft but very fun, and my skin. Now let's talk about this. Looks very nice. So this is the final look. I am very, very happy with this. The foundation looks amazing and I am all right with this. I want to see how much time I have with this skin today because it is going to be humid outside. Please let me know what you guys think and I will be back in a couple hours and we will see how this looks. It is very humid outside, so please make sure that you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys a little bit later. Bye! Hey guys, so this is check-in number 1. My foundation has been on for an hour, a little over an hour. I've been filming since 8 o'clock this morning before 8 because I did a brow tutorial and also then applied this foundation. It is after 9 now and I applied this just about an hour, over an hour ago. And I am liking this so far. My skin looks very, very healthy. You can still see that I have some texture going on my skin, but definitely looks really, really nice. So this is check-in number 1 and so far I like it. And I did powder my face very softly and it is very nice. Check-in number 1 done. I will see you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, this is a check-in for my foundation looks like today, and the brows look very, very nice with my skin and also with my hair. Definitely looks very, very good. I am liking this so far. I like it. It looks really, really good. I'm gonna have to use this again tomorrow, but I just wanted to do a check-in just to see what you guys are up to and also just show my foundation is done. See you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm doing a check-in. It is almost 2 o'clock and I have been outside since I got done filming because there's a car show in town and you can definitely see that my hair, it is ugh. So it's 2 o'clock now. I've been sitting outside in the sun, walking around, looking at cars, and my skin looks really, really good. The only thing I had to do was touch up around my nose on both sides because I had sunglasses on, and other than that my skin has held up. Looks really, really good. It warmed up to my skin very, very nicely and I am super dewy, but that's fine with me. It is hot. It is over 90 degrees and it has high humidity. Walking around looking at cars, ate some lunch. I had to put something else on my lips because my lipstick went away. But this is my skin. Alright guys, I will see you guys a little bit later. As I said, it's almost 2 o'clock and I will see you guys later. Alright guys, this is the last check-in. It is 7:30 at night and I went to the grocery store and I had to put a face mask on and my skin still looks really, really good. My brows are still looking great, and my last first impression of the evening on the Pat McGrath foundation is I like this a lot. I'm definitely going to use it again, but I want to apply it with a sponge. So just wanted to do the last check-in. My skin is definitely very oily. I have not powdered my skin at all. So this is what my skin looks like, and I just wanted to do a last check-in, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!